Summer in the middle of Elizabeth Center. What year is this?
1987.
1987. What's the exact designation in the Army? What do they call this?
This one they call it the M1026.
M1026. He took down all the guns, pretty much everything that was on it. But all day long, everybody was swarming all over this car. Or if you want to call it a car, this is that full body shot that YouTube loves. He got one of these as surplus and restored it to basically field commission.
All the radios, all the computers work. I tried adding as much as I could, but everything is original military equipment.
He never did anything on the body. This is all original. Been to war? Which war was this in?
Well, that is hard to tell, but it probably, my best guess would be the first one, the Gulf War in the 90s.
This is when they blew up the oil fields in Kuwait. And this is now in Elizabeth, New Jersey at a car show, and they love this. Everybody wanted to have their picture taken with this vehicle. So now it's on my channel.